G'day, Mike here again. It's been quite a few months since my last update. To be honest, I was so disappointed and upset with the experience with Mickey Loot. I haven't been all that keen in making videos. Only a couple of things have happened and I didn't think they were important enough to make a whole video about. So, let's recap. Back in February, when I made my last video, the Mickey Loot was dead, and they said they were trying to get stuff out, but never did. Let me read you an email I got from them about a week after I put out the last video. It says, "Mike, we are in the process of combining people's outstanding orders into one final order. We are no longer accepting new orders, and we are as we were recently hacked to the point we need to pull our site down." Yeah. "We have shut off social media due to nasty comments." Well, I wonder why you're getting nasty comments. "We anticipate most people who still have valid orders that have not been charged back will receive their orders over the next few months. All the best, Mickey Loot." Well, that was in February. We are now in December. I haven't heard a thing from them since. Still makes me angry. But what has happened since then? I was very excited to see the announcement that the Disney store online was going to set up an Australian store. Great! Our only other alternative up to then was getting it from England. So I was very excited about that. Then they opened up the store and became very disappointed. The range of stuff is like a quarter of what they had in England for prices that are ridiculous. And you need to pay $20 or $40, depending on the size of your goods, $20 or $40 for shipment from Singapore. So it's not really Disney Australia, it's Disney Australasia with extra shipping. A lot of the products they were selling are available at Target for pretty much the same price, but you don't have to pay the shipping. So that was a very disappointing launch by them. I didn't think it was worthwhile doing a video about that, just to grumble about a lack of products and ridiculous prices. Now, on good news, the long-standing rumour that Disney Cruise Line was going to come to Australia came true. They opened their bookings, and on day one, I was online, eventually got on. They had problems due to various hurricanes in Orlando, but I got my tickets. So I am going cruising on the Disney Fantasy on Australia Day, January 26, 2024. 440 something days away from now. Something to look forward to, but I'm excited. That's going to be a lot of fun. I've looked up a lot of the Disney cruise stuff. I'll be traveling alone as an adult, and the really good thing is that 1/3 of the public spaces are set aside for adults only, which means there won't be many kids running around this particular pool or these particular bars or the spa or whatever. So I'm looking forward to that. I'll probably do videos around then. But as I say, 2024, blimey. Now, what else was I going to talk to you about? Oh yes, the most important thing. I've got a new unboxing. On my Facebook page came up a message from Short Stories, where they were promoting mystery boxes for Disney fans. So, and there's also mystery boxes for Star Wars fans. But of course, being a Disney nut, I chose the Disney one. So, I threw caution to the wind after my Mickey Loot experience and ordered the $99 box. My only comment on that, free shipping with any orders over 100. I looked and there's nothing else that really appealed to me to take that order over 100, so I had to pay $10 postage. But within the week, it showed up. I was very happy. So here we go, opening it up. Gift wrapped. You can see here, Short Story is the name of the company. Oh no, it's just in a bag. There is a card down here. Empty box, give it a that. What does the card say? Laughter is timeless, imagination has no age, dreams are forever. So it's Disney Short Story. Okay, so let's have a look. To open cut along dotted line, unlock happiness. To open cut along dotted line, remove tape and reseal. What the hell? Oh, I see. So let's rip this open. Okay. I've got 2 boxes in here. Okay. Something that the smell has just got me. So it's whatever it is, it's scented, it's perfumed. Let's have a look at this one. Okay. Oh, small things. Let's have a look. So a little tiny purse with Bambi written on one side and Let's Play on the other. Open that up and it is a card. Oh no, there's something else in there. A butterfly. Keep me close to you on your journey. Take me with your travels. Let's play happy in the forest. Yeah, right, okay. I don't see how that's Disney, but moving on. We've got a little card here. Happy ever after. Fake fake nails for, I'd say, little girls, because they don't look big enough for an adult. But apply these to your nails and you get Disney images on your nails, mostly Cinderella it looks like. Nail stickers. Okay. Okay, now we've got Marie from the Aristocats. Strawberry and cream crepe reed diffuser. Yeah, this is what I smelled. So it looks like some sort of potpourri type. Yeah, just the usual air freshener, diffuser. If it's got anything. Okay, why isn't that coming out? Oh. Okay. So, yep, diffuser. Okay, we've got the castle and floating flowers in the perfume type diffuser. Okay. Okay. And the last box here. Beauty and the Beast. Beauty is found within. Enchant your world with the divine fragrance of a Disney and short story princess candle. Okay. Okay, so there's your candle. Once again, the castle is on the front. It's just a candle. Once again, a scented candle. Well, it was an interesting experiment. Not what I was looking for, but hey, you've got to take your chances sometime. Well, if anything comes up, I will make another video, such as it is. I'm not going back to short stories. This has been a little bit disappointing, but I had to try it once to find out. At least it's not a subscription service where they're taking money off me every month. I've learnt that lesson. Okay, whenever I get in touch again, we'll talk then. Thanks. Bye.